Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss another topic that is called binary operation from the chapter relations and functions. Okay, so what is meant by this binary operation? From the term binary means two elements. If we take two elements and we are performing some mathematical operations, it can be plus, minus, multiplication, division or combination of these operations. Okay, so the definition we can tell us the operation here star is said to be a binary operation if star is a function from a cross a to a. A cross a means you know that it's a Cartesian product from a cross a to a. That if we take an ordered pair, let a b be an ordered pair, and if we perform this a star b, the star is a binary operation, and that means any mathematical operation you are performing. Okay, like this a plus b minus ab, any operations. Here it is a combination of plus and minus. This is the binary operation. Okay, here what is meant by commutative? If we take this a star b, it should be equal to b star a. If you reverse it also, it should be same. Then it is known as commutative. Here a, b all should belong to set A. Okay, that is here a, b belongs to set A. Then what is meant by associativity? Three terms will come, correct? That is a star b star c will be equal to a star b star c. Here first b star c, then a star b. This is called associativity. Here also for all, here a, b, c belongs to the set A. Okay. Then next is identity. Identity means there is exists in E, which is an element in A. Okay. Then we can write A star E is equal to E star A, which will be equal to A. That is called identity. If we multiply 1, if you multiply 2 into 1 equal to 1 into 2, you will get the same element 2. Correct. Here in the place of 2 I have A. In the place of E I have 1. So that is called identity. Here 1 is the identity element. Okay. So next last, that is called inverse. Inverse means that is if we take A star B, which is equal to B star A, you will get the identity element E. That is, for example, if we take 2, it's reciprocal 1 by 2, that is its inverse, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. Both are same. We are getting cancelling 1. 1 is what? The identity element. Same procedure. Okay. So these are the main definition of binary operation. Okay. It is just the mathematical operations. We are putting the star in the place. We have to substitute what the operation is performed. Just we want to substitute that. Okay. This type questions can be asked whether it is commutative, associative, identity exist, inverse exist, like that. Commutative means A star B equal to B star A. Associativity, 3 elements will come. Then identity, then inverse. Clear, I think. Then we can do one problem. Then it will be more clear. Okay. So students, this is a question that can be asked. Okay, this type, that is we have to verify the binary operation star defined on Q by A star B equal to AB by 4. Here division is the operation, correct? Is we have to prove whether it is associative or not. You can be asked like commutative or not. Here it is associative or not. Okay. So first of all we have to do here we have AB by 4. What is associativity? A star into B star C is equal to A star B star C. This is associativity. So in the place of this B star C and A star B, just to substitute the operation AB by 4. Clear? So here A star as such. Here in the place of AB it is BC. So we have BC by 4. Okay, then here it is as such, AB by 4 into what? Star. Then again, two elements again, a binary operation. This you can denote it as X. This you can denote it as Y. So it will be easy, okay. So here again it is A star X equal to Y into Y star C. So here again, two elements you can substitute this. A star X means AX by 4. So here AX by 4 is equal to again Y star C is what? YC, correct. YC by 4. Then now here you substitute what we substituted for X and Y. So what it will be? So A by 4 you can take outside. In the place of X we have to substitute BC by 4. Here again C by 4 is a constant, just take outside. Y here we have to substitute AB by 4. So here multiply the terms, we will get ABC in the numerator and the denominator 16. Here also on multiplying you will get ABC by 16. That means LHS is equal to RHS. That means it is associative. Okay. It is simple. Any other type can be asked like commutativity, identity, inverse. Okay. So keep practicing the similar question. It is a sure question from binary operation. So see you students. Bye.